Hi and welcome to image32. Today we're going to show how image32 integrates with OsiriX, the popular PACS software. First, let's briefly look at image32's architecture. There's three main parts. First, there's the cloud site where you securely view and share your medical images. Second, there's the image32 uploader, which is installable software you put on your Mac or PC or server. It can read medical images from CD or hard drive. It scans them for protected health information, applies lossless compression, and then uploads them to the secure cloud site. The third part of the architecture is the PACS connector. This allows you to accept DICOM pushes from a PACS workstation. The PACS connector also enables some remote management features. And before we dive into the demo, one more thing I want to mention. If you go to image32.com to sign up for a free trial, you want to make sure you go to the doctor plans and that you select a plan that includes PACS integration, and that will give you the PACS connector. Okay, let's go ahead and open up image32 uploader. I've already installed the uploader, and I can see that I can upload images from CD or hard drive. In order to find the third option, I have to log in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Because I'm logging in with credentials from one of the group accounts, I now see a third option for DICOM push. Go ahead and click that option, and you'll see two very important pieces of information here on this page. You see the IP address of the machine where the uploader is installed, and you see the port number. If you want to change the port number, just click Change, Edit, and Save. I'm going to leave the port number where it is for now. I'm going to go ahead and open up OsiriX. Now inside OsiriX, I've already got some sample data loaded, but I'm going to start by going to the OsiriX menu and clicking Preferences. Under Preferences, go to Locations, and here's where I'm going to add image32 as a new DICOM node. Simply click Add New Node, and it adds a new line for you. Now I'm going to go back to the image32 uploader to get that IP address, 192.168.1.2, and I'm going to go ahead and type it in here. I can leave AE title the same. Make sure that the port number matches the port number here in the image32 uploader. I'm going to leave QNR, retrieve, send, and TLS the same. I'm going to go ahead and change the name to be image32, and that's because I'll be able to recognize this when I hit send in OsiriX as another DICOM node. I can leave send transfer syntax the same, and go ahead and click verify. It will do a quick test, and as long as this comes back and doesn't turn orange, you've successfully added image32 as a node. And one more thing I'll show while we're in the preferences. If you're running image32 and OsiriX on the same machine, you go to the listener and make sure you either turn off OsiriX's listener or change the port number. You can't have OsiriX's listener running on the same port number on the same machine with image32. Okay. I'll go ahead and close out of the preferences now. I'm going to come down to my sample image study, select it, and hit send. When I do, OsiriX will ask me to select a destination. And here's where I see my DICOM nodes, and here I see the image32 node that I just added. Now I'm going to go ahead and click send, and OsiriX will start sending the image over. I can see that my image32 uploader has already started to bring in the images. It recognizes the sample patient name, and it's already assigned it a study code in image32. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the cloud site, and here I should be able in a minute to see progress, and here it is. The imaging study has already started uploading. So just to recap what we saw, we opened up OsiriX, added a DICOM node, sent the file to the image32 uploader, and the image32 uploader sent it to the secure image32 cloud site. That's it for today. Come back for more next time.